YouTube, hello friends and people in the virtual world, welcome back to Baggy's TMD. Don't forget guys to hit subscribe and smash that like button if you're enjoying the channel. Wow, we have not done one of these for a while, a video or a layout update really, but yeah, you can see the beard's growing, so it must be time for another update on Kingsbury. Let me spin the camera around guys and I'll show you sort of what I've been up to. So guys, we are outside of Train Club. It is 10 past 10 at night and this is the only place we can actually put the layout out, but as you can see we are getting there. We are getting there guys. So that board is wired, track power, not anything else. We've started that one tonight. As you can see we're going down. We've still got to put that random line into the back for the hidden fiddle yard for EMR. We've come down here, we've got a point there. That point is for the oil depot that's going to have to skate off over here somewhere. That's the one that goes to Birch Coppice, so that's going to skate off over there. What we're going to do is get them wired up and then we're going to figure out how we're going to do the transition piece, because obviously there's going to be a curved track here going into the fiddle yard. That one won't be too bad because that'll come onto this board, because it'll just follow around that well. But the scrap line, the oil depot one there is going to have a bit of a bridge to go across. And I think I've figured out how we're going to do the fiddle yard. I just need to put it into place. I've got some wood to be able to do it. I just need a little bit of time to do it. I was hoping to get a load of wiring done over the Easter break, but the days I was going to do it, it rained. I managed to just about finish doing that board. So yeah, a bit of a disaster, but it's getting there guys. I was watching some of my old videos the other day. I was like, it's going to be running by 2024. Wow, I underestimated how long this thing was going to take me to do. But yeah, we're getting there guys. We're getting there. Like I say, as you can see, 2 boards are wired up. Third one's on its way. I've got a decent method of wiring, not how I showed you in the video for this, of wiring into bloody tag boards. Sod that, I've gone into chocky blocks now. It's so much easier. Let me spin one of the boards over guys and I'll show you how we're doing the wiring now, which is so much easier. So guys, here's how we're doing the wiring now. As you can see, we are going into a chocky block now. Chocky block there to take all the the EMR lines just into a chocky block. So much easier than using them tag boards. Too much soldering. And then we've got a load of different joins, all the joiners down here for the inter-tracks between the two lights. As we say, as we're doing it with lots of redundancy, we've got 4 wires that are going across. Each are colour coded, which all makes sense to me because there is a book that goes with this layout on how the wiring works. But yeah, like I say guys, we're getting there. Steady progress. Stick with us guys, stick with us. We'll get it working. Like I say, I just ain't got the time to get much done to it at the moment. Still working at the same company, but new job that's a bit more demanding. Obviously got the little one. He's very demanding, but yeah, you know what I mean. We're getting there, guys. It's coming along. Probably gives another 12 months. If I actually pull my finger out, we should actually have a bit of a roundy going on. So once I've figured out that curve, I know how I'm going to do that curve over there. Fiddly yard's a piece of piss because that's just track, and this chord is really easy, so that's just going to be 3rd and 4th radius bends on the end of it. But yeah, it's getting there, guys. Stick with us. Appreciate that we've still got people coming into the channel steadily. We've like 1,300 coming up, nudging 1,400. I think I do appreciate you all, guys. Drop us comments in this. If you want me to answer any questions, yeah, just post if you I don't know anything, guys. Fucking rambling and going mental now. Oh no, there's a plane up there. There's a plane just took off out of Birmingham International. But yeah, like I say, I'm still watching plenty of YouTube videos. Still watching Harold Rhodes. That's good. Another good YouTuber. Good on Facebook as well. Watching New Junction. A bit of Chadwick. It's a shame Edward Junction stopped for the time being while he refurbs his new house. I really did enjoy watching his stuff. So, like I say, if you're interested in me, guys, go and check them out. They're far bigger channels than what I am, but go and check them out. But yeah, guys, don't forget, hit subscribe, hit like, drop me a comment down below. I'll see you later.